Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 5, Lesson 35, and our unit is all about adjectives and adverbs. Last time, we watched adjectives compare. Today, it's the adverbs' turn. Adverbs can stack two or more actions against each other and tell you how they measure up. It's the same friendly logic you already know, just aimed at actions instead of things. Let's get started. We've just seen how adjectives compare. Well, here's some good news. Adverbs compare too, and they follow almost exactly the same logic. An adverb can compare actions. It lines up two or more actions and tells you how they measure up. Just like before, there are two forms. The comparative form compares exactly two actions. The superlative form compares three or more. So the first thing you do is ask a simple question. How many actions am I comparing? That single question picks the form for you. Let's look at each one up close. Let's start with the comparative form, the one that compares two actions. Look at this sentence. Ravi ran faster than Leo. We're weighing two runners against each other, so we use the comparative. For most short adverbs, you build the comparative by adding the ending er. Fast becomes faster. Soon becomes sooner. And notice that little word than. It loves to show up with a comparative because you're setting one action beside another. Two actions, the er ending, and than. That's the comparative. Now the superlative form, the one that compares three or more actions. Here it is. Ravi ran fastest of all. When you single out one action from a whole group, you reach for the superlative. For most short adverbs, you build it by adding est. Fast becomes fastest. Soon becomes soonest. You're pointing to the one action at the very top or bottom of the group. Three or more actions, the est ending. That's the superlative. Let's line the short adverbs up in one table. The adverb, its comparative, and its superlative. Start with fast. Fast, faster, fastest. Then late. Late, later, latest. And soon. Soon, sooner, soonest. Read across each row and you can hear the pattern build. The plain adverb, then er for comparing two actions, then est for comparing three or more. Every short adverb in this family follows that same neat path. Not every adverb is short though. The longer ones, and that usually means the ly adverbs, don't add er or est. Instead, they use the helper words more and most. Watch. She waited more patiently than before. Two moments of waiting are compared, so we say more patiently, never patientlier. And for a whole group, he calls most frequently of everyone. There, we use most frequently to crown the top of the group. One more thing. When you want to compare in the other direction, downward, you use less and least. So long adverbs lean on more, most, less, and least. Now for a small band of adverbs that break the rules completely. These are irregular. They don't take er, est, more or most in any predictable way. So you simply memorize them. Well doesn't become weller, it becomes better and then best. Badly becomes worse and then worst. Little becomes less and then least. And far becomes farther and then farthest when you're talking about distance, or further and furthest when you mean degree. Say these out loud until they feel automatic, because they're some of the most common adverbs you'll ever use. Here's the mistake to watch for above all others. Never pile two comparisons on top of each other. You'll sometimes hear things like more faster or most soonest, and both are wrong. Think about why. The ending ER already means more, so more faster is really saying more twice. Just choose one. The correct forms are simply faster and soonest. Pick the ending or pick more and most, but never both at the same time. Let's boil the whole lesson down to a quick check you can run on any comparison. Step 1. Count the actions you're comparing. Step 2. If the adverb is short, add ER for 2 and EST for 3 or more. Step 3. If it's a longer LY adverb, use more for 2 and most for 3 or more. And keep the irregulars handy. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. Because those never follow the rule. Count, choose the form, and remember the rebels. Ready to practice together? Time to practice. In this first set, I'll show you a sentence with an adverb, and you decide whether it needs the comparative or the superlative form. Remember the trick. Count how many actions are being compared. 2 or 3 or more. Pause the video and choose before I reveal the answer. Of the 2 dancers, Mara moved blank. Count the dancers. There are exactly 2. 2 actions call for the comparative. And gracefully is a long ly adverb, so we use more, not an er ending. So the answer is more gracefully. Of everyone on the team, Kofi trains blank. Here we're comparing Kofi against the whole team, far more than 2 people. That calls for the superlative. Hard is a short adverb, so we add est, hardest. So the answer is hardest. The bus came blank than usual today. Notice the word than. It's comparing today's arrival against the usual one. Just 2 things. 2 actions means the comparative. And soon is short, so we add er, sooner. So the answer is sooner. In this second set, pick the form that fits the sentence. Some adverbs are short and take er or est. Some are long and take more or most. And a few are irregular, so keep that memorized list close. Pause and choose before I answer. My sister sings blank than I do. The word than is comparing just 2 singers, so we need the comparative. But watch out, well is irregular. Its comparative isn't weller, it's better. So the answer is better. Of all the students, Priya answered blank. We're comparing Priya against the entire class, a whole group, far more than 2. So we need the superlative. And patiently is a long ly adverb, so we use most, giving us most patiently. So the answer is most patiently. He played blank in the final than ever before. The word than is comparing 2 performances, so this is the comparative. And badly is one of our irregulars. Its comparative isn't more badly, it's worse. So the answer is worse. Let's gather up what we learned. Adverbs compare just like adjectives do, and the number of actions you're comparing decides the form. The comparative compares exactly 2 actions. Short adverbs add er, and longer ly adverbs use more. The superlative compares 3 or more. Short adverbs add est, and longer ones use most. Keep the irregulars memorized. Well, better, best. Badly, worse, worst. And never double up. It's faster, not more faster. Count the actions, choose the right form, and remember the rebels. Wonderful work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.